everyone, we're going to find the constant k for the quadratic equation with the double root. What a double root means is we only have one solution for this part right here. So just looking at that, that has a multiplicity of 2. So that means if you didn't have this k here, you would have 3x minus 4 equals 0 squared. And so if you solve for this, you would get x equals 4 divided by 3. So it would just be one solution. All right. So basically, looking at our formula, all we have to do is look at k squared and let k squared equals 0. So therefore, k equals 0. This one's kind of confusing because it's already set up this way. That would be using the formula. Let's do it the long way. If you expand this, you're going to get 9x squared minus 24x plus 16, and then minus k squared equals 0. And if you factor out a 9, we'll get x squared minus 8 thirds x plus 16 minus k squared divided by 9 equals 0. And then we could divide both sides of these by 9, and that gets rid of this and gets rid of this. So this will just still be 0. All right. So basically, we could just divide everything by 9. And then we're going to complete the square. So we have x squared minus 8 thirds x. And then to complete the square, you're going to take half of 8 thirds. So half of 8 thirds, that means you multiply it by 1/2. This is going to give you 8/6, and that's going to equal 4 thirds. So you have 4 thirds squared. And I'm going to go ahead and move this on the other side. This gives you negative 16 minus k squared divided by 9. I'll go ahead and put this in parentheses there. Since we're adding 4 divided by 3 squared, we're going to also add it to this side, which is actually 16 divided by 9. All right. So basically, this part here condenses using our perfect square trinomials. And basically, you're going to get this part back. So we basically get 3x minus 4 squared. And this equals 0. All right, because it's a perfect square and you set it to 0. So therefore, we have this. And if I move this back over, we're going to have 16 minus k squared divided by 9 equals 16 divided by 9. And you can either do this mentally, but we can notice that this is going to be 0. So k squared equals 0. It's just easier to see that this has to be 0 for these two to equal. All right. So that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.